fish are there? Can you count them? Can you count the fish?
One. One over fish. One. One, two, three, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What happened to 6?
What happened is 6.
What are you squeaking for, little boy?
This. Down, one. Out. And some is 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Good. Yeah, let's turn. Oops. I dropped the book, Emiko. Can you get it, please?
I did it. And now
They look like the prisoner
I got it.
in his stripes.
Book.
Yeah, there we go. Thank you.
What is this one?
Okay. Let's look at this page.
Shark.
Shark. Good. How about this? What's this?
Should be a button.
Spider.
It's the button. Not going. Wash it out at the sun.
Good.
That's the best Itsy Bitsy Spider I've ever heard. Get away from my plants. Emiko May.
Let's keep reading the book, Emiko.
Do not bother the bamboo. Emiko.
Emiko, sit down, please.
That's right. Move it. Good girl.
Sit down. Let's finish.
No
No touching. That's right.
Exactly right. Let's work on that.
What's this?
That's bumblebee.
Bumblebee. That bumblebee's down here. What's this?
Shark. A shark.
Yeah, not a shark. What is it?
Birds.
Dragonfly.
My play.
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, wow.
Me, where? It's dark. Where happened?
Are you done with this book, Emiko?
Happened.
Nothing happened. The TV's just not on.
TV, I'm not able to see that.
Floppy baby. Don't hit the baby with the guitar. Deo, what do you think? What do you think about what's going on? I like your sister. Yeah, you like her? Does she make you tired? Hey, little boy. What's sister doing? What's big sister doing?
You still have the guitar
Strapped to you.
on. There you go. Oh, you actually want it on? There you go.
Deo's eyes are open.
Yeah.
Deo's watching his sister. He's a little confused by what you're doing, Emiko.
Yeah, we'll just put this over here.
Emiko, why don't you sing Twinkle Twinkle?
No.
No.
How about Itsy Bitsy Spider?
No.
What do you want to sing?
No.
Nothing.
ABC song?
No. E. C. K. I. S. Y. Double S. Y. D. D. Me.
Good.
Very good. Yay.
Good.
Very good.
Yay.
Yay. Hideo, you impressed?
It's a good long.
I'm cutting it off. Yay.